Hi students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar Sir classes. Today we'll be seeing some important problems on the chapter rotational motion. Okay, this is part 8 of the video. Kindly see the previous parts also so that you can understand the problems on rotational motion. This is the first problem of part 8. It is saying from a circular disc of radius r and mass 9m, a small disc of radius r by 3 is removed from the disc. Okay, the mass of the bigger disk is 9m comma r. Okay, now I will call this as 1 and this is 2. Okay, this is the removed portion. We know what is I is equal to I is 1 by 2 mr square, that is moment of inertia for a circular disk. Okay, where m is what? Total mass of the disk. Total mass of the disk. Now I can write I1 is equal to 1 by 2. In place of total mass, I have to write 9m for the first disk. 9m into r the whole square, that is r square, that is equal to 9 by 2 mr square. Now we have to write I2. Then later we can remove this one. I1 minus I2 gives the moment of inertia of the remaining disk. Okay, I2. How to calculate I2? Now by using what? See, you have to assume that this is coming out of the plane of the board or going into the plane of the board, and this is also coming out of the plane of the board or going into the plane. These two, by using what? Parallel axis theorem, I can write I2 is equal to ICOM plus of mass. Okay, mass into what is the distance from this point to this point, that is 2r by 3 the whole square, and this is mass of the what? Removed portion. Mass of the removed portion. Removed portion. Okay, mass of the removed portion. Now again here, how to write ICOM for this 2, that is 1 by 2 m, that is removed portion. Removed portion into how much is the radius of this one? Radius is r by 3 the whole square plus this m removed portion, mass of the removed portion, into the distance between this point and this point. They are given here, that is 2r by 3 the whole square. Now how to calculate mass of the removed portion or cut portion? Removed portion is equal to area of the removed portion divided by total area of the disk divided by total area into total mass. What is the area of the removed portion? This is removed portion. Pi into what is the radius? Radius is r by 3 the whole square. Okay, r by 3 the whole square divided by what is the total area? Okay, total area of the disk is how much? That is pi r square. R is given here. Okay, pi r square into what is the total mass? 9m. And it is given here. Okay, 9. Right. Okay. Now simplify this one. This will be pi gets cancelled. Again r square gets cancelled. 9 r square by 9 r square into 9m. 9 gets cancelled. R square is equal to m. Therefore, mass of the removed portion is how much? M. I can calculate I2 from here. I2 is equal to how much? I2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Mass of the removed portion is m into r by 3 the whole square plus of mass of the removed portion again m 2r by 3 the whole square. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 m r square by 9 plus of m 4r square by 9. I can take mr square as common here. I can write this as 1 by 18, 9 2s are 18 plus of 4 by 9, 4 by 9. That is equal to mr square 18. I will take 1 plus of 8, okay, 2 times, okay. That is equal to 9 by 18 means again 9 by 18 means 1 by 2 mr square. Okay, I2 is how much? This is I2. Okay, that is equal to I2 is how much? I2 is 1 by 2 mr square. How much is I1? I1 we have written here. I1 is 9 by 2 mr square. Now, what exactly you are supposed to calculate? Moment of inertia of the remaining disk. Okay, what is the equation we have to write? Remaining disk. I remaining disk is equal to I1 minus I2. That is it. Okay, I1 minus I2. I1 is 9 by 2 mr square. That is given here. Okay, 9 by 2 mr square minus how much is I2? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 mr square. That is equal to, I can take 2 as here 9 mr square minus mr square 8 by 2 is 4 mr square is the right answer. This is the moment of inertia of the remaining disk. Moment of remaining disk is how much? 4 mr square. Hope you understood. We'll go to the next problem. The product of moment of inertia and angular acceleration. What is torque is given by torque is equal to I into alpha, where this is called tau, TAU tau. Okay, it's called torque. That is torque. This is what? Moment of inertia, and this is alpha is what? Angular acceleration. Angular acceleration. Torque. Okay, the product of moment of inertia and acceleration is torque. Next problem. What is this? A disk of radius 2m. Radius is 2m. Mass is how much? 200 kg. Okay. Is acted upon by a torque. Torque is here how much? 100 Newton meter. Its angular acceleration alpha is equal to. What is the formula? Tau is equal to I into alpha. But I is what here? I is for disk. For disk, what is the formula? I is equal to 1 by 2 mr square for disk. Okay, for a disk. Okay, now I is equal to 1 by 2 into m is how much? 200 into r is 2 meter is given. Okay, to the whole square. That is equal to, okay, this I can 100 into 400. What is the unit of moment of inertia? Kg meter square. Okay, now we will calculate alpha, angular acceleration. Alpha is equal to tau by I. Tau is how much? They are given 100. Okay, 100 divided by I we calculated. I is how much? 400. 1 by 4 is how much? 0.25. What is the unit of angular acceleration? Radian per second square. Hope you have understood. This is the correct answer. Next problem we will see. Rotational power in rotational motion. What is power given by? Vector F dot of vector V. Right, in case of linear motion. Now in case of rotational motion, this is given by, this is F is replaced by tau. Dot of what? Omega. That is same as what? Omega dot of tau. Because we know that A dot vector A dot of vector B is equal to what? Vector B dot of A. Okay, dot product is what? Commutative. Dot product is commutative. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Hope you understood this one. Next problem we'll see. Now a constant torque tau they have given. Okay, 31.4 Newton meter in SI unit it is. is exerted on a pivoted wheel. If the angular acceleration of the wheel is angular acceleration alpha is given 4 pi radians per second, the whole square. Okay, 4 pi radians. Then the moment of inertia I is equal to question mark. We know that tau is equal to what? I into alpha, right? I is equal to what? Tau by alpha. How much is tau? 31.4. Alpha is how much? 4 pi. Therefore, I is equal to 31.4 divided by 4 into, write down pi 3.14. So 10 times I can cancel. 10 by 4 is how much? 10 by 4 is equal to 2.5 kg meter square is the right answer. Students, hope you understood all the problems. Kindly share these videos with your friends. Ask doubts in the comment box. Like the video, and then do not forget to subscribe for my channel to get interesting problems like this. I wish you all the best for your KCET, NEET and IIT JEE examinations. Thanks for watching my video. I wish you all the best.